Hi friends, here I will explain a little about the operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is the program that, after being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program, manages all of the other application programs in a computer. The application programs make use of the operating system by making requests for service through a definite application program interface. In addition, user can interact directly with the operating system through a user interface, such as a command line interface or a graphical UI. Why use an operating system? An operating system brings powerful benefit to computer software and software development. Without an operating system, every application will need to include its own UI, as well as the comprehensive code need to handle a low-level functionality of the underlying computer, such as disk strokes, network interface, and so on. Considering the vast array of underlying hardware available, this would vastly blow the size of every application and make software development impractical. Instead, many common tasks such as sending a network packet or displaying text on a standard output device, such as a display, can be offloaded to system software that serves as an intermediary between the application and the hardware. The system software provides a consistent and repeatable way for application to interact with the hardware without the application needing to know any details about the hardware. As long as each application accesses the same resource and service in the same way, the system software, the operating system, can service almost any number of applications. This vastly reduces the amount of time and coding required to develop and debug an application, while ensuring that users can control, configure, and manage the system hardware through a common and well understood interface. Once installed, the operating system relies on a vast library of device drivers to tailor OS services to the specific hardware environment. Thus, every application may make a command call to a through device, but the OS receives that call and use the corresponding driver to translate the call into action needed for the underlying hardware on that specific computer. Today, the operating system provides a comprehensive platform that identifies, configures, and manages a range of hardware, include processor, memory, and memory management, chipsets, strokes, networking, port communication, such as video graphic array, high definition multimedia interface, and universal serial bus, and baby system interface, such as peripheral component interconnect express. What are the functions of an operating system? An operating system provides three essential capabilities. It offers as UI through CLI or GUI. It launches and manages the application execution, and it identifies and exposes system hardware resource to those applications, typically through a standardized API. UI. Every operating system requires a UI enabling users and administrators to interact with the OS in order to set up, configure, and even troubleshoot the operating system and its underlying hardware. There are two primary types of UI available, CLI and GUIL. The CLI or Terminal Mode Window provides a text-based interface where users rely on the traditional keyboard to enter specific commands, parameters, and arguments related to specific tasks. The GUI or desktop provides a visual interface based on icons and symbols where users rely on gestures delivered by human interface device, such as touchpads, touchscreens, and mouse device. The GUI is most frequently used by casual or end users that are primarily interested in manipulating files and applications, such as double click and flick icon to open the file it is default application. The CLI remains popular among advanced users and system administrators that must handle a series of highly granular and repetitive commands on a regular basis, such as creating and running scripts to set up new personal computers for employees. Application management and operating system handle the launch and management of every application. This typically supports an array of behaviors, including time sharing, multiple processes, or threads so the various tasks can share the available processors. Time handling interrupts that application produce to gain a processor's immediate attention, ensuring there is enough memory to execute the application and its corresponding data without interfering with other process. Carrying out error handling that can gracefully remove an application's process and perform and memory management without disrupting other application or the OS. An operating system can also support APIs that enable applications to utilize OS and hardware function without the need to know anything about the low-level OS or hardware states. As an example, a Windows API can enable a programs to obtain input from a keyboard or mouse, create GUID elements such as dialog windows and buttons, read and write files to a strong device, and more. Applications are almost always tailored to use the operating system on which the application intends to run. Maybe that's all I can see. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.